What's up, family? So right here on Telegram, if I hit on this tree bar icon up here and then I simply hit on this place down here that says wallet, okay, it's gonna load up. Let's give this some time, guys. Here we are. So as you can see over here on my balance, it says I currently have the sum of 17,891.79 naira, and down below here it says I currently have the sum of 3.927 ton on my balance. Okay, so guys, this ton right here was actually given to me for absolutely free without no investment whatsoever from a crypto airdrop that pays in ton, guys. Okay, so in this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can farm this airdrop to get tokens which can be converted to ton coins. Okay, and mind you guys, this works worldwide. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is N We Done TV. And what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever N We Done TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified. And then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on the crypto airdrop Telegram page right now. So as you can see up here, guys, the name of this project is called VOXEL. All right, down below here it says that they currently have about 617,875 monthly users. All right, so as you can see right here, it says what can this bot do, and it says that VOXEL is a blockchain based platform where users can build, trade, and earn from 3D VOXEL NFTs. All right, so down here it says unleash your creativity and earn with blockchain, and it says VOXEL is the ultimate platform where you can build, trade, and profit from unique 3D VOXEL NFTs. And the next right here says create, build, and farm VOXEL dollars. Design VOXEL models, sell them in the marketplace, or farm them to grow your collection. Over time, exchange your VOXEL assets for ton and other rewards. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can exchange your VOXEL assets to ton when you might have accumulated enough VOXEL dollars for yourself through farming, guys. And remember, no investment at all. All right, so down below here it says turn your creativity into profit. The more you build and trade, the more you earn. Invite friends and grow your blockchain powered VOXEL empire. So down below here it says join the community. Thousands of creators and traders are already shaping the VOXEL universe. Be part of the future of digital creativity. Okay, so now that you know some basics of how the VOXEL works, I'm going to hit on this place down below here that says start app. Okay, so I'm going to hit on start app right now. So let's see how this goes, guys. It's going to load up. Let's give this some time, guys. Okay, it's almost done. Boom. So as you can see right here, it says VOXEL client agreement. So you can just simply read through this agreement right here. And when you're actually satisfied with it, and it actually suits to your needs, all you simply do is down below here that says agree and continue. You just simply hit on it, guys. Okay, so as you can see up here, guys, it says I've been given the sum of 300 VOXEL tokens just because I used someone's referral link to sign up, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving my referral link on my Telegram channel. So all you just simply need to do is go over there and just, hit on the link, and you're also going to be given the sum of 300 VOXEL tokens just for using my referral link, guys. All right, so as you can see down here, it says, hi, my name is Voxy. I will tell you about this app. Let's start to build. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says start build. Okay, so as you can see, this one right here is actually free. It says random model. So the random model is actually free. So you can actually use the random model for building right now. So I'm going to hit on random model right here, guys. All right, so let's see how this goes. It's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. Here we are, guys. So as you can see right here, if you actually want to build, all you just simply do is tap on your screen, guys. Okay, it's going to start building immediately. All right, so let's just give this some time. Okay, it's going to build. Okay, as you can see, the more you hit on your screen, the more it gets filled up down below here. It's actually at 84% right now. It's almost done building, guys. Boom. Okay, so let's just wait for it to spin, guys. Okay, so we just built a basic model right now. So I'm going to hit on this place down below here that says clean model. Okay, so as you can see, guys, the name of this model is called Cactus, and down below here it says that based on this Cactus model we just built right now, it's going to be giving us a sum of 5 VOXEL tokens per hour. Okay, as you can see right here, guys. All right, so I'm going to exit right now. So you can also build more models right here to actually accumulate more VOXEL tokens for yourself, guys. Right, so how can you build again? So let's say you actually want to build again. All you just simply need to do is hit on start build, And over here that says random model, you just simply hit on random model, guys. Okay, and you start building again. Okay, the more you build models, the more you actually accumulate more voxel tokens for yourself, guys, because this models actually farm for you. They actually farm the voxel tokens for you, guys. Okay, so that is basically why you actually need to build more models. So as you can see, I'm done with this one again. Okay, so let's see what's going to give us this time. So it actually gave us an epic model. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says claim model. Okay, so this is it, guys. So as you can see, this model's name is called Notes, and it's going to be giving us a sum of 14 voxel tokens per hour. Okay, so this is cool. So I'm going to hit on exit right here. So guys, within 24 hours, I can come right here again to start building more models, which can enable me farm more voxel tokens. Okay, so that is it. So the next phase right here is actually the bag. If I actually hit on bag right now, guys, it's going to load up. Okay, so as you can see up here, guys, it says combo, and down below here says meet all 3 items in your inventory and get 20 star for each farm collect today. And right here says every 2 to 3 days the combo is changing. Okay, so down below here are the 3 items you actually need to collect each and every single day. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says claim all, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can collect it. I'm going to hit on claim all. Okay, so as you can see, it says congratulations, you received. All right, so that is it, guys. So as you can see right here, these are the 2 models we just built a while ago. Okay, so these 2 models are responsible for farming the voxel tokens for us. This one right here, which is the basic, which is called cactus, is going to be giving us 5 voxel tokens per hour, and this one right here called notes is going to give us 14 voxel tokens per hour, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. All right, so the next right here is called market. I'm going to hit on market right now, guys. Okay, here we are. So up here says build your items and sell to other people. More unique items, you take higher place in global store. You can sell items directly in turn to earn before official TGE. Okay, so guys, the market right here is a place where you get to sell your built models to people who are interested in buying, and you're going to be paid in turn, guys. Okay, so as you can see, it says build and sell, and you're going to get paid in turn. All right, so that is it. So as you can see, these are persons who actually list their models right here. Mind you, guys, before you can actually come list your models right here, you need to make sure you have a good model. As you can see, this model right here called Creeper, it's currently on sale for 3.9 ton, and it's going to farm the sum of 8,779 voxel tokens every 8 hours, guys. Okay, so it's going to give you 1,019 voxel tokens every hour. So that is basically how it is. So you can also list your own right here if you actually have a good deal, just like this guys you see right here, guys. Okay, so how can you have a good deal? So you can have a good deal just by making sure you're actively building more models right here, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can have a good deal just like these guys. All right, so let's say you actually want to sell your own models in the market just like these guys right here. All you simply do is hit on my lots right here, guys. Okay, and then you just simply hit on whatsoever box right here. Okay, and then you can just simply select the models you want to sell from your list of models right here. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this one right here that says barrier. Okay, so down below here that says sell, you can just simply hit on sell, guys. All right, and then you can actually set the price right here. You can either set price in ton or you can set price in voxel dollars. Okay, and then when you are done setting your price in either voxel dollars or ton, you just simply hit on sell to market, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to hit on this right here and just type in, let's say 0.1 ton. Okay, so over here that says sell to market, I'm going to hit on sell to market. As you can see, it is successful. Your item sent to market. Okay, so my item is currently on this market right now, guys. All right, so as you can see, it's no longer on my bag anymore. All right, so that is how you can sell for ton. You can actually sell your models, and you're going to be getting ton in return for that, guys. All right, so I'm going to go back, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit the market. Okay, so guys, that is basically how you can sell your models on the market. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says earn. So let's see how we can earn more further. So as you can see, these are ways in which you can earn more voxel tokens and stars for yourself. Okay, as you can see right here, it says subscribe to our channel and get 20 voxel tokens and as well 1 star. Okay, so just follow up through all the stacks right here. Just do all the stacks right here to accumulate more voxel tokens and stars for yourself. Okay, so that is one way you can also earn more voxel tokens and stars, guys, by just completing the stacks right here. Okay, so the next right here says friends. Okay, so as you can see right here on first level, you actually get 50 voxel tokens and 3 stars for inviting your friends. And for the second level, you get 25 voxel tokens and 1 star for inviting your friends, guys. Okay, so as you can see, you earn from 2 levels right here on referring your friends. All right, so how can you actually get your referral link? It's quite easy, guys. All you simply do is tap on this stuff right here that shows this copy sign. You just simply hit on it, and boom, guys, you can simply copy your referral link and just give it to your friends. And when you actually come right here using your link, you're going to be getting these rewards over here, guys. Okay, so that is it for friends. So lastly right here that says wallet, I'm going to hit on wallet, guys. Here we are. So as you can see on my balance, guys, I currently have 0.68 USDT on my balance. Okay, so how can you exchange your voxel tokens to ton? So it's quite easy, guys. You can just simply hit on this page right here that says exchange. Okay, here we are. So guys, you can either exchange your voxel tokens or your stars to ton. All right, so how can you do that? So as you can see up here that says from, you just simply hit on it. So as you can see right here, you can either select stars, you can select the voxel, you can select emerald or diamond. Okay, so let's say you actually want to select stars right now. It's going to load up, and down below here that says voxel, you just simply hit on it and select ton. Okay, so down here says that this pair disabled for exchange, try again later. So why is it saying this? So guys, the reason why it's saying this is because currently you can't exchange stars to ton, or you can't even exchange the voxel dollars to ton. All right, so from time to time they actually disable and enable the exchange section right here. Okay, so as at May 29th, I'm going to go over to their group right now and show you guys when they actually enable this option for people to exchange their voxel tokens or stars to ton, guys. Okay, I'm going to go over there right now so I show you the proof. All right, so guys, let's go. Here we are, guys. So as you can see up here, this is the voxel group where they have about 119,700 members. All right, so over here says that voxel to ton swap is live. Right now, you can swap your voxel dollars to ton. Time window from 8:00 to 13:00 UTC. Don't miss it. Check your limit and decide. Cash out or upgrade your farm. Okay, so guys, this update came in as at May 28th. All right, so that is basically how it is, guys. From time to time you get updated on when to exchange your voxel tokens to ton or your stars to ton. Okay, so guys, make sure you are subscribed to End with On TV and also turn on the bell notification button, guys, to always get updated for new updates like this. Okay, and make sure you also subscribe to our Telegram channel for updates, guys, because not everything I share here on YouTube. Okay, so the link to join my Telegram channel is going to be on this video description, guys. Okay, so guys, I think this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So if you found this video helpful, guys, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on End with On TV on YouTube. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video once more. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.